Welcome to Unit 1, Analyzing English Language for Literacy and Teaching. This video covers the mechanics of meaning within the Level 3 award in English for literacy and language teaching.
We analyze grammatical form to understand how it creates meaning. The form is the structure, syntax, and vocabulary, the engine of the sentence. The meaning is the mental image or comprehension a reader reaches. We analyze language because reading is a skill that must be taught explicitly. The simple view of reading shows that reading comprehension equals decoding multiplied by language comprehension. Criterion 2.1 focuses on morphology. Words are built from smaller units of meaning called morphemes, such as prefixes, roots, and suffixes. Task 1 requires you to analyze polysyllabic words. The focus is on explaining how the prefix, root, and suffix change the word's meaning and function, not just labeling them. Criterion 2.2 covers word classes and function. A word's class, whether it's a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb, depends on its behavior and role within a sentence. Context determines a word's class. For example, book is a noun in I read a book, but a verb in I booked an appointment. Never classify a word without a context sentence. Criterion 2.3 is about the verb, the engine of the sentence. It addresses active and passive voice, as well as key concepts like tense, time, and aspect, state of action. For Task 1, you will analyze verb forms, identifying the tense, aspect, person, number, and base form. For instance, was living is past continuous aspect. Criterion 2.4 covers the science of sound or phonology. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that distinguishes meaning. Remember, spelling does not always equal sound. Phonology is also about stress. Changing the emphasis on a syllable can change a word's class and meaning. For example, record as a noun versus record as a verb. For Task 1, you must provide phonetic spelling using IPA, syllable count, and primary stress for polysyllabic words, as demonstrated with the word development. Task 2 is an essay requiring research into literacy in 2 settings. Task 3 is a glossary of 10 terms. The success tip is to explain how and why, not just describe what. Use this checklist to move from reader to analyst. Ensure you explain meaning, use context sentences, employ accurate terminology, and analyze rather than just describe. Mastering these forms helps demystify English for your students.
Mastering these forms and analyses allows you to demystify English for your students. Remember to always use accurate terminology and analyze how and why meaning is created, not just describe what you see.